Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete all channels and messages at once on Telegram. So first of all, go ahead into the search on the tab on your Telegram and then tab delete or deal all bot. And then basically after you added that bot, you're going to hit start. And then basically if you want to use them, add them in the channel or super group as an admin with at least delete message, invite users and add admins permissions, and send the log if you want all messages to be deleted. Send a deal from and reply to a message if you want to delete that and all subsequent messages. So basically that's it. You gotta go ahead to any group. I don't have a group right now, but I have a channel. But go to that group, for example, click on their name at the top right, go ahead to the members, and then go ahead and add the subscribers or add the members, and then tab deal all right here to add deal all right here, and then just go ahead and add the delete bot right here. As you can see, hit done at the top right. Basically now you added that member. Give them the permission to be an admin, give them the admin permissions, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back and then go ahead to the delete deal all bot, and then basically hit slash right here as they say, and then type deal all if you want all messages to be deleted. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.